Alright, this is going to be a continuation of my wheel refurbish, refinish, recover, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to get the front wheels back on, get the car back on the ground, and we'll get it torqued, and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, once again, my battery died. I don't know where that broke off, but these little things here, I really like them. Tried to get some for my truck, but they don't come in this length anymore. They only come in like a 4-inch length, which is kind of stupid in my book. But it is what it is. And these purple lug nuts, purple rivets, or bolts, whatever you want to call them, not really my style. I highly doubt that I'll be keeping them. So, don't be surprised if someday they could turn black, or after the wheels get changed, or the wheels get re-chromed. I'm leaning towards re-chrome, but we'll see how that goes. I'm going to go do the other side. I'll be right back. Let's check some air pressures.
Oh my God, what time is it? If this country ran only on propane and made me its vice president.
And you did it second.
Put it on the floor, shall we?
Hello, my former fans. I bet you thought I started I did, but not anymore. I don't need y'all to tell me who I am because Uncle Hank helped me remember. And me and
I got to torque my wheels.
I'm glad we're done with our go-go lifestyle. Besides, I never told you this, but I want to get it done. Get up to $300 in savings on a set of 4 eligible tires during a spring tire spectacular. Everything happens for a reason. Here you leave today and enter a world of cool kids.
Wheels are on. Torqued. Ready to go. Radiator's ready to go. Wheels ready to go. Brakes ready to go. I think we're ready to go. Except for that thing. That's next. So if everything works out all right, I'll be back this afternoon. All right, so now that the wheels are on and torqued and everything, we got a good car. Should be able to drive it. I'm hoping to get it outside and get some pictures of it soon. Like it's got to be one of these days this week. So it'll happen soon. This video is not quite done until I can get that done. And I'll do a quick walk around with show you what it looks like out in the sun or out of the lights here. So I'll be back. Hopefully, probably Wednesday. I don't have anything going on Wednesday, I don't think. So I'll be back. Sorry for the delay. What do you think? Wheels are done and on. It might look okay, I think. We'll see. See you tomorrow, huh? At the show. They don't look too bad. Not too bad. little better than I thought they would. Tomorrow's supposed to be sunny, so we'll see what it's like outside in the sun. Go from there, huh? So that's going to do it for this video. The wheels are done for now. I still want to do chrome. But yeah. Alright. But that's it for the wheels now. This video is done. I'm going to put it up on a web so you can see it. It took a long time. Sorry about that. And if this video is long, I'm sorry about that too. But it's a process. I forgot to mention something. You'll notice I'm wearing the same shirt in a lot of my videos, but it's my work shirt. So I use it more than once. But I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, the hood. The new hood that I got for the car. It's going to be put on Monday evening. So hopefully that video will be up next week too. And I cannot wait for that one to be on. I really can't. That's going to look so good. I got 3 guys coming over to help me put it on, so hopefully it'll work out. I'm really hoping it does. So stay tuned for that video. Alright, here's a little update. I just talked to my cousin from Oakland. We were gonna meet at the car show tomorrow. But it's supposed to be like 20 below wind chill and gusting winds in the morning, and so I'm not going. This thing's gonna sit again. So anyway, don't look for a car show video. I was gonna take one, but we'll see how the next one goes. Got the car all cleaned up and polished up and ready to go, and now it isn't going to happen. But at least it's drivable. So I will see y'all later. Maybe on some other video coming up. Bye.
The next day.
We're going to go out here and see if we can't get this thing out of the garage. Have a look at it in the sun. Got broken clouds today, so hopefully the sun will be out when we get it out. You can see what them wheels look like. This will be a good place. Looks like the sun's out. If I can get out of here. Alright, here we go. What do you think?
Notice there's a shape of a tire.
Sun's out a little bit. I don't know if you can see the metal flake in it or not. Pretty good, huh? Looks alright, I think. I think it'll do. I still think I need to go chrome or go home though. But that's just me. They just look dirty to me. I don't know. Doesn't that look dirty? Like they're not clean? I don't know. I mean, I like the color, I really do, but just not on my car. I don't know. I don't know. Let me know what you think. That's going to do it for this week. The final rendition of the wheels. Final video of the wheels, I should say. But I think we're going to have to take them off and get them chrome. That's just me though. That's just my my personality and my taste. So I'll be back when I figured it out. Like I said, nothing's gonna happen in the other, like I said in the other videos, nothing is gonna happen until fall, for sure. I can't do anything until then anyway, with the wife being laid up like she is, or will be. So that's gonna do it for this video. I gotta get me and my buddy a dog biscuit. Come on, come on. He's coming. He's coming. Let's see if he follows me, huh? He's gotten to like me a little bit. So we're gonna go get him a biscuit. See if he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. See if we can get him to take one out of our hands. You want a biscuit? Come here. Come here. Here you go. Yeah. He's a shy one. He's a shy one. He's coming around though. I think it's a girl, but I'm not sure. I should say she, huh? But anyway, that'll do it for this video. Beautiful day today, nice and cool. Gonna stay in the house. Wife went to visit her parents, so I got the afternoon to myself. So the wheels are done. I'm done making videos on wheels until I figure out what I want to do. So as always, stay safe, stay great. God bless, and take every day as a blessing. On to the next one.